So guess what? I'm back. I came up with an idea for a snack for St. Patrick's Day because I couldn't think of anything. And so you need a baking sheet and some like parchment paper, like not parchment that you write on, but parchment paper. Some marshmallows and heat them up in the microwave for like a minute or two. And my Lucky Charms.
They're magically delicious.
Anyway, so we're gonna do some like Rice Krispie treats, but they're not with Rice Krispies, so they're Lucky Charms treats because I thought that was the most Irish thing I could find. People in Ireland, they're gonna hate me because I know you guys have wonderful food over there, but you know, us Americans, we just like bastardize everything. So here we go. Anyway, so we do like a cup. I don't know, 2 cups. Does that look good? Here, why don't you mix while I do this? So you melt the marshmallows and just like, there you go. Does that remind you of like being on the ship or something?
Oh my goodness.
Is that good?
Some work.
Of course, that's why I gave it to you. You got some muscles there. You're always getting yourself out of trouble.
Heave ho, heave ho, heave ho.
So it looks good though. Looks good.
It is quite the sticky confection.
It is quite the sticky confection. Well, you've been in a lot of sticky situations and you get yourself out.
I regret nothing.
Of course not, you shouldn't. You have fun. You're a fun guy. There you go.
You live every day at what is you people call here? YOLO?
YOLO. Well, I like to think in Indiana Jones, every day is an adventure, so that's why we do what we do. Or I do what I do. But I don't do this alone. I have a lot of wonderful people behind the scenes. Okay, this is gonna be like ugly. There we go. Don't get it on the bar, don't get it on the bar, oh my gosh.
The only thing you get on the bar is the rum.
There you go. This does not look as good as I thought it was going to be.
It looks quite delicious, but it is all over you. Does it not matter?
It doesn't matter, here, just pat it down. Let me get
Sometimes you get rum all over you, other times you get marshmallow.
Oh my gosh, this stuff is awfully sticky. I think we're supposed to put butter in it. I don't know. Maybe we're not. Here, now we do this. Watch. Now we just pat it down. I was gonna try to make a clover shape. That's just not gonna happen. So we just like pat it down. Maybe that'll help. Try to pat it down. Excuse me. Now I'm worried that the parchment paper might not.
Oh my god.
Here at Indiana Jones, we don't have a test kitchen. We just roll with it and just keep going.
Sometimes it does not always turn out the way it...
Look, after you've had a couple of Irish beers, it's not gonna matter.
It's all gonna... It looks delicious. Kind of. It tastes delicious.
It looks kind of like Ireland. Kind of.
Move it a little more back.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know.
I see it.
Don't get your brains in there. You don't want marshmallow
It's a little bit fully here.
There you go. So anyway, eventually this might look, you know, somewhere out there. Somebody
Not all treasure is silver and gold.
No. But
Some
you know
of it
what?
is sticky.
If you're really hungry, I think, yeah, I don't even know how to eat this or cut it up or anything.
After a couple of drinks, it all looks appetizing.
There you go. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this episode of Indiana Jones celebrating St. Patrick's Day with Captain Jack Sparrow, who is also known as Kevin.
Cosplay Kev.
Cosplay Kev with a K. With a K, because that's really cool. But him and I, we've met up a couple times at a couple of cosplay conventions, so follow him on Instagram. What's your Instagram also?
Cosplay Kev with a K.
There you go.
Cosplay with a K. Like Captain. Cosplay with a K.
Except Captain's with a C, but that's okay.
I did not pass all of the schooling you go through.
There you go. Okay, but anyway, please follow Cosplay Kev, and of course me, Indiana Jones. So have a wonderful St. Patrick's Day. Sorry I'm getting so sticky. And make the most of it. Come up with your own Irish style snacks and meals, and enjoy the beers and enjoy the crafting, and have a wonderful time. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Aaron,
Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Many blessings to you all, and I think that's good.
Take this back to the Black Pearl.
There you go. Let's go back to the Black Pearl.